Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these little booties. So let's get started. First I'm going to make the sole. Normally I would do these soles in a dark color like brown or black, but so that you can see my stitches, I'm just going to use this light colored yarn. Start with a slip knot. I'm working newborn baby size up to 3 months. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that. Chain 1 and turn, and this is a repeat row. Working in the second stitch from the hook, single crochet, and single crochet in each of the stitches across the row. Like that, and you're going to repeat that row until this section is approximately 2 inches long. So it's chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I have a total of 6 rows. And now I'm going to increase for this booty sole. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn. And this increases for the front section of the booty. So I'm going to work 2 single crochet in that first stitch, 1 and 2. And I'm going to single crochet in each of the stitches across the row. And there's my last stitch, and I'm going to work 2 single crochet in that stitch. Like that. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and in each stitch all the way across the row. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat this row until the sole is the length that I need it. So it's chain 1, and I've already turned, single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and in each of the stitches across the row. Like that. So now I'm just going to repeat this row. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each of the stitches across the row. Okay, I have worked 5 rows total. So that's 6 and 5 is 11 rows total. And now I'm going to work 1 row of single crochet all the way around. So chain 1, and I'm going to work 1 single crochet in each of the stitches all the way around the outside edge. Like that, all the way around. And then I'll get back to here and slip stitch. Okay, I've single crocheted all the way around. There's my last single crochet. There's my first chain 1, and I'm going to slip stitch to join. And that is the little baby sole completed. And fasten off. Now I'm going to attach white yarn in this same fasten off stitch. Pull that yarn through. Chain 1, single crochet in each stitch all the way around, only working in the front side of the stitch. So in the front side of the stitch, single crochet. And that will just leave a nice little ridge here along the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to single crochet all the way around, and when I get back here, I'll slip stitch to join. Okay, I've worked all the way around. There's my last single crochet. There's my chain 1, slip stitch to join. Chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch and in each of the stitches all the way around. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I've worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join and fasten off. And there's how the sole looks. And now I'm going to attach a new color for the top. So turn your bootie over, and you can see where you started enlarging for the front of the foot. So you're going to go up to there, and in that stitch, attach the new color. And chain one. And you're going to single crochet in each of the stitches all the way around until you reach the opposite side, which would be here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to single crochet in each of the stitches until I reach there, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, I have single crocheted all the way around, and I'm exactly opposite to the other side. So now I'm going to chain one and turn, and I'm going to single crochet in each of the stitches all the way across the row. So I'm going to work up to here. When I get here, I'm going to chain one and turn, and I'm going to work back and forth. Okay, I have worked a total of 7 rows, and that's going to be the sides, and fasten off. Now I'm going to attach my blue yarn in the same stitch. So I'm going to pull my yarn through and chain one, and I'm going to work 1 single crochet all the way around to the other side. I've worked all the way over, and now I'll make my last single crochet in that same stitch. Like that. Now chain one and turn. And I'm going to single crochet in each stitch around, but I'm going to work a single crochet decrease in every 4th stitch. So single crochet in that first stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, and here I'm going to make a single crochet decrease. To work a single crochet decrease, insert your hook into that stitch, and then into the next stitch, and then complete your single crochet. So I'm going to do that in every 4th stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and here's my 4th, so a decrease here. 1, 2, 3, and a decrease. And then just finish the row. Like that. That's starting to curl in. Now I'm going to repeat that row. I'm going to make a decrease every 4th stitch. So chain one and turn, and then work 1, 2, 3, and then a decrease. And I'm going to repeat that across the row. And there isn't enough at the end of the row, so just finish the row. Like that. It's starting to curl in. And I'm going to repeat that for 1 more row. So chain one and turn, work 1, 2, 3, and then a decrease. And then a decrease. And then finish the row. like that. And now for the next row, I'm going to work in every second stitch. So chain 1 and turn. Skip that first stitch, single crochet in the next. Skip, single crochet. Skip, single crochet. Skip, single crochet. Skip, single crochet. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to reduce all of these stitches into one stitch. So I've turned my work, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull up a stitch in each one of these stitches. Like that, and then pull the yarn through all of those stitches. And there's how that looks. And I'm just going to make one more slip stitch into that stitch. And then I'm going to slip stitch over on this side just to pull that tight across the top like that. Now I want to be at either side, either here or here. So you can either fasten off and attach your yarn here. I'm just going to slip stitch myself over to there and into that last stitch. And I'm going to chain 1 and turn. And I'm going to single crochet in that first stitch. And I'm going to skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. I'm going to skip the equivalent of a next stitch. So that's 3 stitches across so far. And I'm going to skip and single crochet, so that's 4. Skip and single crochet. And then I'm going to single crochet into that stitch for the sides. And there's how that looks. So now I'm going to work back and forth across here until these are as tall as the sides. So I've turned my work, and I'm going to chain 1 and single crochet all the way across the row. Like that. And I have 6 stitches. It's not important how many stitches you have. You could have 1 or 2 more. And now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to work back and forth across here until it's as tall as the sides. And now I'm going to add a contrasting edge around the top. So I'm going to insert my hook into that corner, and I'm using brown. And I'm going to pull that through, chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet in each of the stitches all the way around. Like that, all the way around to this side. Okay, I worked all the way around and fasten off. Like that. And now you can weave all your yarn ends into the finished work. And now I'm going to chain a cord to use as laces in the front. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked a cord, and I've chained 100 stitches, and that's approximately 27 inches long. So now I'm going to thread my cord through on the 2 sides. Like that. And there's a finished bootie. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet these little booties. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.